Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be reupholstering just the seats and changing the fabric out, which should be pretty simple and easy to do. For materials, I'm going to be using high density foam, batting, gingham fabric, a utility knife to cut the foam, fabric scissors, a staple gun with plenty of staples, a marker, and needle nose pliers. Let's get started. You want to start by removing the old fabric and the staples. This is the part that's the most fun for me. I'm going to start by laying down my gingham fabric and placing my batting right on top of it. Make sure to line up all the sides and that the corners all match. Once I've done this, I'm going to place the 2 sets of cushions on top and my plywood on top of that. I want to make sure that I have enough fabric on all 4 sides so that when I stretch the fabric to staple it down to the plywood, it's even. Notice that when I get to the corners, I'm pulling extra tight and cutting off any excess fabric. This is to avoid any bulges. Because I'm using a gingham fabric, I want to make sure that when I'm stapling down my fabric, I am pulling it nice and tight, but not too tight that I'm creating waves in the fabric. I want my lines to stay nice and straight. Now when I reach the corners, I am going to be using the 2-pleat method to finish off my corners. What I do first is I start by folding the fabric in a nice small pleat closest to the corner. After that, I take the excess fabric or the fabric that is remaining and create a second pleat going towards the corner. Once I have my pleat in place, I'm stapling it down and making sure to cut off the excess fabric. Here it is again. Take the fabric closest to the inner corner and create a pleat. Take the remaining fabric and create a second pleat heading towards the corner. Staple it down and voila, you're done. husband and I live in a small home and we love it. But honestly, sometimes we have to be extra intentional about what pieces we bring into our home. That's why I love this chair. It has amazing detail and all it needed was a new cover. Thank you so much for stopping by and following our journey as we curate our little farmhouse. Please let me know what you think, and if you have any suggestions, down in the comments. Subscribe to watch more videos like this, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video.